Finding scales can be tricky, especially if you're new to the game. So maybe you've been searching for hours, or maybe you didn't even know where to start, but trust me, with a little guidance, you're gonna be on your way to collecting scales in no time. So let's dive into 5 easy ways to find scales in Disney Dreamlight Valley. First thing, check the Glade of Trust. You can find scales in the water there near the rivers and ponds. Number 2, look for fishing spots in the Forgotten Lands. The deeper waters tend to have more fish and scales, all right? Now, number 3, fish near the moonlit beach for more scale drops. Number 4, talk to Goofy. He has some helpful tips on where to fish. Number 5, use the right fishing rods. Some rods help you to catch better fish with more chances of finding scales. So, are you ready to start fishing and make your gameplay even better? Like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks like this. Level up your Disney Dreamlight Valley experience. See you later. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.